Introducing Lumary Smart Neon Rope Light. Check the links in the description for more info on where to get it. Here's the unboxing. You get your user manual, control box, adapter, installation kit, remote controller, and the neon rope light. Available in two sizes, 9.8 feet or 16.4 feet. They are very smooth and flexible and feels high quality. Here's everything you get in the box. Install two AAA batteries, not included. An easy setup, just plug in the connectors from the adapter to the control box. And then to the rope light. Now use the remote to turn it on. With 180 LEDs per meter, it provides smooth, spot-free lighting in warm amber or crisp white light, or other RGB colors. There are several modes to choose from to create fluid dynamic lighting effects. Play around with it a bit and find the mode that best suits your needs. The colors are impressive and very vivid. It's softer and flexible to craft any shape. And once again, it's spot-free lighting, meaning that it's a solid light, not spotted, separated by dark gaps. With the app, you can customize the color's brightness and saturation, and it includes up to 44 preset scenes for easy and instant ambience, which I'll show you in the app. Download the Lumary app and be sure to turn on Bluetooth. Hold the control box button down for 5 seconds to turn on pairing mode. Then add the device. Now inside the app you can customize all sorts of settings. You can also have the lights sync with music or sounds.
Voice test 1, 2, 3. Voice test 1, 2, 3.
And here are the 44 preset scenes to choose from. It can also work with Alexa or Google Assistant for easy voice commands. The Lumary Smart Neon Rope Light is versatile and can be used in any setting such as homes, businesses, offices, wall decor, Halloween, Christmas, parties, social events, and more. So if you're looking for amazing, bright, and flexible light to add ambience to your setting, then check out Lumary Smart Neon Rope Light. Check the links in the description for more info and where to get one. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.